Happy Halloween. I just did my makeup. I'm a tiger for today, kind of. I'm wearing like this sweatshirt, which is actually merch from Cat Creature. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. It's got a cat on it and it's the right color. And then, gosh, my contour looks really like rough right now. I think it's just this really weird lighting because it's really wet today. But yeah, these ears were just like little fun dress up ears. Got them years ago. And then my makeup. I just done like a little wing. That's really messy, but I did like an inner corner bit too. And yeah, I've got a lot of reading plans. I haven't even said hi about this vlog yet, but yeah, this is just a little 24-hour kind of vlog. Not like as intense as a proper 24-hour readathon, but in the fact that it's only going to be during Halloween, so it'll end tonight or tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm going to do some reading in a sec. I haven't done any yet today. You would have already seen what books I'm in the middle of. Bishop Dorian Gray. And also, I'm going to be reading a short story. But first of all, I'm going to need to do some work. And while I'm doing that work, I'm going to be listening to Ariana. Oh gosh, this lighting. Tragic. I'm going to be listening to Ariana Grande's new album because it released. And my friend and I are like texting each other back and forth about it. We're really like hyped about it. So, shout out to you, Sophie. And yeah, that's all I've got to say. I'm going to go and listen to Ariana and live tweet basically my thoughts and do some work, and then I'm going to spend the afternoon baking Halloween cookies, and then we're having like an American dinner tonight because like I feel like Halloween's like very American, so should be fun, should be a good day. I hope you guys enjoy. It's perfect weather for it. It's super windy, really rainy, and the leaves are going everywhere. It's a fun time, but it's also kind of cold, but it's perfect Halloween vibes. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully the clouds will clear a bit and we can see the full moon tonight because I'm so excited for that. And yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Wait, listen. What is this doing?
Read any more of the Picture of Dorian Gray yet, but I did finish The Canterville Ghost, which is the little short story that I wanted to read. And I do want to say, because I forgot to mention earlier, well, I was inspired to read it because of Isabella from 300 Pages, because she read it in a kind of gothic vlog that was so fun to watch. I just don't recommend it to you guys. It was so beautifully edited and everything, and I'll definitely link it down below. She enjoyed it when she read it, and I found out that I owned it actually because I own this little short story collection by Oscar Wilde. So I just quickly read it. It's only like 40 pages or something, and I loved it. I gave it 5 out of 5 stars, which is so nice. I rated a picture book 5 stars in August, but before then I hadn't had a 5-star since my favourite book of this year, which was Thunderhead, which I read like in April and May, so it's been a long time. So it's really nice to have another 5-star finally. Yeah, I loved it so much. It's the perfect kind of story. It was like humorous, it was typical in like Oscar Wilde's style because it was witty and short and sweet, but it was also impactful, and there was a good like kind of moral story behind it, which is just everything I love in a short story. So yeah, I loved it so much and I 100% recommend. It's really funny actually because it's a ghost story. It's literally like about a ghost, but he's kind of pathetic at his job and he just wants to die basically. Can't wait to read more of Oscar Wilde's books or short stories. He only has one novel, which is Picture of Dorian Gray, so I'm gonna read some more of that tonight probably, but for now I think I'm going to do a bit more work, and I'm just waiting for dinner to be ready, which should be ready in like half an hour to 45 minutes. I'm really glad I read this book, and also I can add it to my Goodreads goal, which makes me feel really accomplished, even though I'm really not. So yeah, that's me having a good Halloween. We watched The Great Pumpkin, if you guys saw some clips from that, which was the perfect like festive thing to do, and we ate those cookies, and yeah, it's been a good day. I had like a really happy day. It's just like nice to be able to do a bunch of activities, like having a day that you have the excuse. I'm not doing anything like crazy Halloween-y, but like just little things. It's just nice to do, and any excuse to have some fun is great. And I think it's really good for your like mental health to be finding like little things to do that are fun, good fun. And I can't wait for the rest of the evening. It should be good. I think I'm gonna watch Agatha Christie's Halloween Party. I've never read the book actually, but it's a Poirot story. I've watched all the Poirot films, even like the modern one, but like David Suchet's Poirot is like, I've watched all the Poirots, all the Marples, all like every single Agatha Christie like adaptation I've seen, except for like the really old ones. Yeah, I just adore them so much. They're some of my favorite like movies slash shows, so yeah.